Imagine a home where silence speaks louder than any decoration. Pure, minimalist luxury that wraps you in calm like nothing else. Step into the entrance hall and feel instant serenity wash over you. Sunlight spills through towering windows, warming the smooth off-white walls that seem to breathe quiet confidence. The oak floors glow softly underfoot, inviting you deeper into this peaceful haven. Every corner whispers calm luxury, no rush, just pure, unhurried welcome. You pause, exhaling fully, already home in this minimalist embrace. Sink into the living room's gentle glow, where sunlight dances across vast windows framing the garden. The air feels light, almost meditative, with walls cradling you in warm plaster hush. Oak platforms invite lounging, soft shadows playing like old friends. Here, time slows. Comfort wraps around you effortlessly, a sanctuary of understated joy and endless calm. Gather in the dining room, sunlight bathing the space in golden harmony. Long oak table gleams invitingly, walls of pale plaster holding the light like a secret. You feel connected, conversations flowing naturally amid serene proportions. Each breath carries tranquility. It's where meals become memories, wrapped in quiet opulence that nurtures the soul without a single word. Cooking here feels like poetry in motion. Sunlight floods the kitchen, highlighting sleek oak surfaces that hum with subtle warmth. Plaster walls diffuse the day's glow, making every task a meditative ritual. The island stone cools your touch gently. Comfort reigns supreme, pure, functional bliss where flavors bloom in peaceful rhythm, heart content. Wake in the master bedroom to sunlight caressing high ceilings, filling the air with soft promise. Oak platform bed hugs you like a whisper, walls in creamy plaster cradling dreams. Shadows shift lazily across floors, inviting deep rest. It's your private cocoon of luxury, serene, enveloping, where mornings unfold in tender, timeless peace. The guest bedroom welcomes with open arms, sunlight streaming through frames to chase away worries. Plush oak bed promises sweet slumber, pale walls glowing like a soft hug. You sink into tranquility, textures soothing every sense. It's more than a room. It's heartfelt hospitality, a cozy retreat where comfort lingers long after. Focus sharpens in the home office, sunlight illuminating thoughts with crystal clarity. Oak desk flows seamlessly with walls of hushed plaster, floors warming your steps. Ideas bloom effortlessly in this bright, breathing space. Calm productivity pulses here, pure inspiration without distraction, just you and your best work, wrapped in gentle luxury. Curl up in the reading room, sunlight weaving through shelves like golden threads. Oak daybed cradles you perfectly, plaster walls muffling the world into blissful quiet. Pages turn slower, stories sinking deep amid warm textures. It's pure escapism, healing, immersive peace where imagination dances freely, soul utterly at rest. Bask in the sunroom's radiant embrace, sunlight pouring from every angle like liquid warmth. Oak benches hug the edges softly, plaster walls alive with shimmering play. Air hums with vitality. You feel renewed, utterly alive. This glassy haven pulses restorative joy, quiet luxury at its peak, where nature's light heals and heart soars boundless. In this John Pawson-inspired sanctuary, simplicity reveals true elegance. Let light, texture, and space transform your idea of home into timeless serenity.